Sometimes you won't be able to find what you're looking for at Clemson Libraries. That's where Interlibrary Loan comes in. Follow these steps to request an item not in our collection from another institution. Get started by searching the quick search box on the library website. If at first you don't have any results, check Pascal to see if it's owned by another academic library in South Carolina. Otherwise, we can try Worldcat. Click back to the home page, hover over Find and Borrow at the top, and click the Worldcat link. Enter the same search results from before in the appropriate field, click Search, and find the one you're looking for among the results. In the item record, find the External Resources section and click Request if not held by Clemson. Next, you'll be prompted to log into your Interlibrary Loan account. Log in using your Clemson username and password. Once you've signed in, you'll notice that all fields in the request form have been auto-populated from Worldcat. Review these fields for accuracy, include any notes, and click Submit Request at the bottom of the form. Our resource sharing department will find your request and have it ready for pickup within 1 to 2 weeks, sometimes sooner. If at any time you need help with your search, click back to the library's webpage. Use the floating chat option at the bottom right or click the Help button at the top to contact us by email, text, phone, or by appointment. The Library Services Desk, located on the main floor of each of our branches, is a great place to get help if you're on campus. Consider these steps on your next search, and go Tigers.